Electric scooters under $400 offer a great mix of performance, durability, and value perfect for daily commutes or weekend rides. With better range, speed, and build quality than lower-priced models, these scooters strike a sweet spot for budget-conscious riders who still want reliable features without overspending. Number 1. NIU K200F Electric Scooter. The NIU 100P features a robust 300W motor, delivering a top speed of 17.4 miles per hour with a max power output of 600W, making it ideal for urban commutes and hill climbs up to 15%. The 18-mile range ensures you can cover longer distances on a single charge. With 36mm dual-stroke suspension, the NIU 100P offers exceptional shock absorption capabilities, perfect for varied terrain. Whether rocky trails, cobblestone streets, or off-road paths, NIU 100P ensures a comfortable and controlled ride by minimizing vibrations and bumps. The 100P comes equipped with 9.5-foot pneumatic tube tires that offer a smooth and stable ride, effectively absorbing shocks on uneven terrain. Weighing only 38.1 pounds, this scooter is lightweight yet durable, supporting riders up to 265 pounds. The 100P features a two-step easy folding mechanism, allowing you to fold and unfold the scooter in seconds. This portable design makes it perfect for commuters who need to carry their scooter on public transport or store it in tight spaces. Experience safe and reliable braking with a front drum brake and rear regenerative braking system. This combination ensures quick stops and energy recovery, enhancing both safety and efficiency during your ride. Number 2. UKOOR A1 Electric Scooter. UKOOR A1 product adopts 800W power motor drive. The maximum driving speed of the electric scooter reaches 28 miles per hour. The strong motor drive makes its climbing height up to 15 to 20 degrees gradient. Brushless motor drive driving process noise is as low as 50 dB, almost light sound operation, power with silent operation, so that the user riding more comfortable. A one scooter, using 48V/12.5 Ah battery combination with system, real test pure electric range up to 25 miles, electric scooter 0-100 safe charging time needs 6 to 8 hours. Users can choose charging method freely. Charging time is more flexible. A 1E scooter for adults adopts off-road pneumatic explosion-proof tires with a friction resistance index of 360, and the tires have the advantage of high temperature resistance. In addition, the tire size is 10 inches, and the design of the grip pattern makes A1 drive normally in the face of sand, snow, and other road conditions, with a better driving experience. From the perspective of users' portable travel, A1 body structure adopts lightweight design. The weight of the whole vehicle is 55 pounds. The body standard load bearing up to 264 pounds. The maximum load bearing up to 330 pounds. In addition, he can be fixed on the top of your electric scooter, convenient for you to carry, so that you have a better riding experience. Number 3. Gotrax Apex Series Electric Scooter. The solid tire requires no maintenance, no repair, and anti-piercing, putting flat tire worries to rest. The solid tire has more cushion and provides a more comfortable ride than the traditional air tire. Gotrax Apex XL Adult Scooter boasts a 36V 5.2 Ah battery, delivering a 12-mile range on one charge. Ultra-bright headlight and flashing red brake light boost visibility for safe nighttime rides. Upgrade your commute with Apex XL scooters boasting a larger, brighter LED display for enhanced visibility. Stay informed on speed and battery life effortlessly. Ensure safety and control with reliable rear disc brake and EABS brake. Cruise city streets easily using the nominal power 250W. Enjoy a high-torque, low-power consumption ride with a top speed of 15.5 miles per hour, supporting riders up to 264 pounds. Take advantage of the cruise control function for a relaxing ride. The scooter is designed with a portable folding frame, ensuring easy storage in your car, at school, or the office. Number 4. ECOROAD EC9 Electric Scooter. The ECOROAD EC9 represents one of the most affordable electric scooters in its class, offering a powerful motor, solid range, foldable design, and modern safety features at a budget price point. Ideal for light urban commutes and beginner riders who want tech-rich features without the steep cost. Just bear in mind that long-term durability and customer support may be inconsistent, and uphill performance can suffer. Expect solid road performance, but plan with modest expectations regarding service and reliability. The ECOROAD EC9 is a feature-rich, budget commuter scooter offering speed, range, and lights at an affordable price. Its portability and smart features like app control and turn signals enhance convenience. However, it mirrors many unbranded Chinese scooter clones. Come with realistic expectations about long-term durability, downhill or hill performance, and inconsistent after-sales support. Best suited for users who are comfortable troubleshooting minor issues or riding in flatter, shorter distance settings. Number 5. Hiboy S2 Series Electric Scooter. Hiboy S2R Plus includes more stylish appearance design. Max range up to 22 miles. Battery capacity is 313 Wh. 9-foot pneumatic tire from 8.5. And our product has passed stringent UL 2272 testing. Double your range from 22 to 44 miles with this 3-second replaceable battery design from Hiboy. Simply twist the key and the battery would just pop up for an easy takeout. With 2 speed modes, the scooter can reach speed up to 19 miles per hour, and course up to 22 mile, providing an exhilarating riding experience. Pneumatic tire have better performance on shock-absorbing performance over solid tire, providing you a more stable and smooth riding experience over rough terrain. Also, its IPX4 waterproof design further reduces the damage caused by rainy weather.